You would like to know how to reset iPhone 12 without passcode, and the good news is I'm going to show you how in today's video. No matter you forgot the passcode and your iPhone 12 delivers iPhone is disabled message after you enter incorrect passcode too many times. Let's jump into it. It's going to be the same way for iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max and 12 mini. So there's a good chance that you're here because you search for the term on YouTube how to reset iPhone 12 when you forgot the passcode, and you will be told that you have to erase the device and restore it to factory settings. That's right. Well, I'm going to show you two really easy ways to reset the iPhone 12 without passcode and bypass screen lock or disabled screen. Alright, let's begin by using iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker. It's a brilliant app which lets you take care of iPhone 12 password reset. It's just fantastic and you can use it here to factory reset the phone so as to remove the passcode from the lock screen. During the process, you don't need to provide the passcode you've forgotten. I will also leave the link in the description below so you can find out all its amazing features. Once you have it open, click Wipe Passcode. Then click Start button. When you're at the next window, you'll be asked to connect your iPhone 12. Do this is required by using its lightning cable. iPhone Unlocker will read your phone quickly. If not, you need to click Device Connected but Not Recognized link on the screen and then follow on-screen instructions to start iPhone recovery mode. On the screen, we choose the tab of iPhone 8 and later with Face ID. So, I do this on my iPhone 12 Pro. Press and quickly release volume up button, press and quickly release volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Connect to Computer screen. Now my phone is successfully recognized. We then choose the detail information of it and click Start button. The software is now downloading iOS firmware from Apple server. It may take to download several minutes. Don't disconnect the device and wait until the download finishes. Once done, you will get a note as a reminder before you start resetting iPhone 12. All apps and data on the device will be deleted. It's gonna erase your photos, contacts, messages and anything unless you have backed up your phone over iCloud or backed it up on the computer. Of course, the reset process will also delete the passcode and bypass the lock screen. To confirm the reset and start the process,
just enter 0000 to confirm unlocking.
And then hit the unlock button. The process will take some time to complete. As a side note, this resets iPhone 12 without you entering the passcode, and meanwhile removes the iCloud account. iPhone 12 restarts and I'm ready to set it up. In the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore option to restore your data and settings from a backup. Now I can access my iPhone without passcode. Solution 2. Reset iPhone 12 through Finder or iTunes on computer. First turn off the device. Make sure it's completely off. Then press and hold the side button and connect the phone to computer. Keep holding on the side button and don't release it until the phone displays the recovery mode screen. Now I'm gonna open Finder on my Mac. If you're using a PC, open iTunes. The application suggests a restore or update. Here, I choose Restore to reset iPhone 12 to factory settings. When the process comes to an end, you will get a notification indicating that the iPhone has been restored to factory setting and is restarting. Click OK. Now the iPhone 12 powers on and I unplug it from the computer. Set it up and restore it from a backup. And that's how you reset the iPhone 12 without password. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If it's been helpful, please give me a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to AppGeeker channel for more videos like this. Thank you.